Father's Day right around the corner, and if my kids are watching, they know that Dad likes brand new power tools.
That's right.
Here with his top Father's Day gift picks, home contractor Skip BEDELL. Hey, Skip.
Hey guys, that's right. For all the handy dads, the Mr. Fix-Its, right, the DIY dads out there, everybody loves tools. And right now, again, Home Depot is running great deals on both these. So both of them are running specials where if you run their battery charger and battery kits, you get free tools, all kinds of promos. If you look on my website, they're all listed there at skipbedell.com.
Because the more you spend, the more you save.
That's right. And they're all both running great deals right now for gifts to dads. So I love Ryobi because they have 280 tools all on this One Plus battery system.
Unbelievable.
18-volt battery system. And it's great for the Mr. Fix-It dad to do projects around the house. Really nice combinations like these reciprocating saws. They even think of things like this really great fan that can keep you cool in the garage when you're working.
And the thing about it, and we've got the Ryobi tools at our house, is you only need one battery.
That's right. Well, check this out. You got a vacuum to get the jobs done around the house. Want to vacuum in the kitchen?
These are great. Those are great.
These are, by the way, I use this vacuum all the time at home. It does a great job.
Make your life so
It's
much
good on
easier. You just take this off and you charge it and pop it on.
This is great for pet hair, for anything you got. So Ryobi, really great stuff and great promos. And of course, for the pro dad who uses tools every day to make money, like the guys on the trades, Milwaukee, you cannot go wrong. Like, look at this, 1,400 pounds of nut-busting power. This is the mega torque wrench. This thing is unbelievable.
It weighs 30 pounds.
Yeah, that's right.
This is a nut buster?
It is the mega nut buster.
The mega nut buster.
You need one of these.
Nothing says Happy Father's Day.
That's right.
That's out on the side.
That's what you want to get for Dad, the mega nut buster. Good. Shockwave.
Dad,
this is the Shockwave tip kit. So Milwaukee has great things like all these tip bit kits that come with drill bits, screw tips, all the things you need to put on the wrenches. And last
You can fix anything with that.
Anything with that. Things like, really handy LED lights. These are great to use on the job site. Makes it easy. And this is one of my favorite tools. This is a brad nailer. Great if you're doing trim molding, finishing work around the house. This shoots little finishing nails.
I've got the one with the gas cartridges, and this is so much easier.
It's so much easier to use. And the best part is, guys, all these tools use the same battery, right? So once you get on this platform, you can use the same battery.
Well, you have to charge it.
A charger like this.
So they use a rapid charger that charges the battery very quickly. Usually in around 30 minutes, you have everything charged up to work on your job site.
Can you just keep it charged in your tool?
Yeah, I usually keep a battery on charge, and then I got one in the tool, and there's so many different tools.
Is that a hacksaw?
That's a reciprocating saw, yes.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that is the hacksaw, one-handed hacksaw. Isn't that great, Steve?
I love that.
So even things like, listen, work gloves, the all-important tape measure. Guys, every job site needs a tape measure, and Dad's going to love to get any of these as a Father's Day gift. I can promise you, anything on this table...
What's something to start with? Like if I wanted to buy my dad his first
They've got
Milwaukee.
multi-packs.
Yeah, so the multi-packs are great. They come with like the drill and the driver. All comes in a nice wrapped-up tool kit that makes it easy. Really nice because you can present it, the whole thing in a toolbox. It's all kind of an all-in-one thing.
Right.
And you can't go wrong with simple things like gloves, tape measures, bits. These are things that Dad loves he can use on every job.
Oh, by the way, if your dad walks away with that, he'll know Skip gave it to you. So it's now you can't get him there.
It's called payola.
Yeah, and if somebody shows up with a mega nut buster, you know who got that too.
From the man who breaks your balls, there's a nut buster.
That's right.
Check it all out at skipbedell.com.
Card. Ask AI to write a Father's Day card.
Right now, get started.